In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review key analytics from your main dashboard. To get started, head to Analytics from your main home dashboard. This is where you'll find the most important performance data gathered in one place, making it easier to understand how your site or store is doing without having to jump between different sections. If you're checking performance regularly, this area can quickly become one of the most useful parts of your workflow because it gives you a high-level view as well as the details you need to make smarter decisions. Once you're in Analytics, begin by reviewing the Traffic Overview section. This is the best place to get a quick snapshot of how many people are visiting your site and how your pages are performing. Pay close attention to site visitors and page views, since these numbers help you understand both reach and engagement. Site visitors tell you how many people are coming to your site, while page views give you a better sense of how much content they're actually looking at. If you notice that visitors are increasing, that usually means your visibility is improving. If page views are climbing too, it can be a sign that people are exploring more of your content after they arrive. After that, move over to the sales section to check the conversion metrics and order values. This part is especially helpful if your goal is to understand not just traffic, but results. Conversion metrics show how effectively your site is turning visitors into customers or completed actions, and that can reveal whether your pages are doing their job. Order values give you additional context by showing how much customers are spending. Looking at these numbers together can help you better understand the overall quality of your traffic, not just the quantity. For example, strong traffic with weak conversions may suggest that your audience is arriving, but not finding exactly what they need. Finally, analyze traffic sources to identify where your audience is arriving from. This section helps you break down whether visitors are coming through search engines, direct visits, social media referrals, or other channels. Understanding traffic sources is essential because it tells you which platforms or efforts